All right, guys, I'm making this step-by-step video to give you the tools that you need to begin working on your Jasper Johns project. All right, there's a link in the Google Classroom that'll take you right here to Pixlr.com. What we want to do is scroll down a bit, and we want to use Pixlr E, the advanced photo editor. All right, so when you click on that, it will take you to Pixlr E website. Now, yours will be different looking than mine. I've got some things I've been working on before. I use this program all the time. Here's my design right here, but I'm going to walk you through what you need to do for yours. Okay, so right under Open Image, it's kind of hard to see. We want to click on Create New. Okay, in Create New, we're going to change a couple things here. We need to change the width to 1800. We need to change the height to 600. We do want to turn the background on. All right, and then we're going to scroll down a bit, and you can hit that create button right there. All right, at this point, pause that video and get to this point. 1800 width, 600 height, turn the background on, and click on create. All right, once you click on create, it's going to give us this big blank canvas here, and it's the same size as the example that I showed you the other day, but we need to get some pictures onto here, and that's where you're just going to go to Google and type in what you want to use for your design. Now remember, we want to use kind of everyday recognizable imagery. I did the PlayStation logo along with kind of the buttons from the controller, something that a lot of people would recognize. When you find something that you like, that you want to use, all you have to do is right click on it, or if you're using your Chromebooks without a mouse, you can two-finger click on it, and all you need to do is copy and paste. Copy, and you can go up to edit and paste, or you can hit Control V to paste. After this, we can change a couple things. All right, we can make our picture bigger or smaller. We can grab this top circle, we can rotate it if we want to fit it on there at kind of an angle. But one thing I want you to do when you put your first image in here is up here in this gear, right? If you don't have your picture in there, that gear won't be there. So once you put your first one in there, click up here on the gear and make sure auto select layer is off. Okay. So I want you to pause the video here, find your first picture, put it into Pixlr, and then turn this auto select layer off. Okay, what that's going to do is going to help keep you from getting turned around a little bit with these things. Over here on the right are our layers, and this is how we're going to move around separate pictures. So let's find something else. Maybe we're doing a social media theme for this one. And the colors don't really matter for this. I just want to find the right picture for it. So I'm going to copy this, go back here, edit, paste. All right. Sometimes this happens, don't worry. It's just kind of a glitch with the program. But now I can resize this, turn it around however I want. Maybe I want a diagonal and fit that in there. All right. If I want my TikTok logo to be on top of this Instagram logo, this is the best example because we got a lot of white space around the outside edge. I can move this one above the other one. Okay. Now you can see it's going to go on top of the other one. And this is how you select the different things. All right. If I'm selecting the TikTok logo, it's this layer over here, and I can move it around. If I want to do the Instagram logo, you can click on this one and move it around. You only affect the layer that you are on. Okay. But our goal here, sorry about that pixelation. Our goal here is to fill in this whole space. All right, so if you just had the TikTok logo in the middle, that wouldn't be acceptable. We want to fill it up just like mine, and I'll leave my example there if you need to look at it. When you are done, when you have this filled and you have it the way that you want, you're going to go up to File, you're going to go down to Save, and you're not going to change anything here except for maybe the file name. Name it something that you're going to recognize, leave it on JPG, leave the quality where it is, and then you're just going to click on Download. All right, that's going to download a JPEG file, and you can submit this file for the assignment. Okay, one thing to keep in mind that we are going to be cutting this stuff out of foam core, so we don't want super detailed edges and things. It's going to be tough for you to cut those out. But luckily, the logos and stuff seem to tend to stay pretty simple. All right, sorry I couldn't be there today, guys. I hope that you can follow this video and get this done.